Mostly selected candidates have opted these subjects, right? Any among them, and you can also opt for them. So these 15 optional popular subjects are political science, international relation, right? It has become one of the favorite optional paper for last few years, right? And if you see that in 2024, rank 1, rank 2 had opted this paper, political science and optional international relation, right? Public administration also, right? Very popular among aspirants. Sociology, right? Geography, anthropology, history, and among literature, right? Among literature, Hindi literature is very popular. English is also popular. Apart from that, there are certain literature paper, for example, Tamil or Telugu, right? Especially from southern part of aspirants from southern part, they also go for literature paper, right? So, philosophy also very popular. Economics, right? Psychology, law optional, right? These are specific optional papers. If your background is, or if you are from law background, then you can go for law optional paper, right? Mathematics, obviously, if you are from IIT, right, or any other technical background, then you can opt for mathematics. If you have done your graduation in mathematics, you can also go for mathematics optional. Medical science, no need to talk because it is especially for students of medical science background, right? Commerce and accountancy, mostly if you have done your graduation with accountancy honors or you are a chartered accountant, company secretary, then you can also go for commerce and accountancy. And lastly, agriculture also one of the popular optional subjects.